You know the clock is ticking. You know someone else is about to be taken. And while you're trying to figure out what to do next, he's thinking 10 moves ahead. They're all gonna die, aren't they?
Derek? Derek, come on!
You'd be surprised what you have yet to see.
You're playing his game.
You want to fight? Come and get me. For the love of God, go now! All right.
I could have warned you. Let me help you, Scott. Let's help each other.
I don't know what else to do.
Scott, there's got to be something else, okay? We always have a plan B.
Not this time.
Become the alpha you're meant to be. Become a killer.
Teen Wolf, all new Mondays at 10.